Hey, Tech Explorers! Welcome back to Techtale by Tisha. Today, we're talking about the brains behind AI, large language models, or LLMs, and foundation models. These are the super smart engines that make chatbots talk, write, and even think like humans. Ready to crack the code? Let's go. An LLM is like a gigantic brain trained to understand and generate human language. Imagine having read every book in the library, every article on the internet, and every tweet ever written. That's what an LLM does. It learns patterns in text from massive amounts of data. So when you type, "Write me a story about space," an LLM predicts the next word, then the next, and so on, until, boom, you have a story. It doesn't actually know space stories, but it's really good at guessing based on what it has seen before. LLMs work using a magical system called transformers. These are special algorithms that focus on understanding the relationship between words. For example, in the sentence, "The cat sat on the mat," a transformer knows that cat and zat are connected. Now let's talk about foundation models. These are like the building blocks for AI. They're not just trained for one task. They're designed to be super versatile. Think of them as a Swiss Army knife for AI. Instead of training a new AI from scratch every time, you can take a foundation model and teach it something new, like writing poems, answering questions, or recognizing objects and images. Cool, right? So, Tech Explorers, what do you think? Are these models the future of AI? Or do we need to tread carefully? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and remember, technology is what you make of it. This is Tisha, signing off from Techtale by Tisha. Bye-bye. Would you like detailed visuals for a specific LLM concept like GPT or BERT? Or do you want to cover real-world applications next?